Good afternoon, everybody. This is Josh here with Top End Auto Care. We're about to do a little how-to on this headlight. We're going to take 1500 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to move on to a 2000 grit. Then finish it off with a polish. Right now we're just spraying down the headlight, making sure that it's clean. Then we're going to come back and basically just a little water and soap for the sandpaper itself. Once we do the sanding part, then we'll move on to the polish stage with the buffer. You want to make sure that the surface is completely sprayed with the water solution. That way you have plenty of lubrication for the sandpaper. Make sure you get all parts of the headlight, especially all the way around the paint. Make sure that you don't go over into the paint. Don't want to damage any of the plastic or any of the paint around the headlight. A lot of times it's a good practice to go ahead and tape those areas off. This is one of our personal vehicles, just to kind of show how to, so we didn't tape it off. But on all customer vehicles, we tape those off, but we don't take any chances of damaging that paint. You'll start to see that the headlight will start to have a haze to it. That's basically the sandpaper taking off the first little layer of clear that's on that headlight. With this headlight, it really wasn't all that bad, especially the side lamps. More than likely, we could have got away with just doing a heavy compound on the headlight, and it would have been good enough. But we just wanted to show you the process of the sanding, then the polish stage. Now we're moving on to the 2000 grit. This will take out any of the defects. Now he's showing you some of the product we use. That's a Flex 3401 buffer. We've used it for 6 years, no issues. And we use Malco's Epic compounds, polishes, and compounds for the paint, and also when we do a headlight. Make sure that you get the compound spread evenly across the headlight, and it's really good to remember. Let's plug the buffer in, that way it works. And when doing this headlight, you're kind of applying medium pressure to the headlight. Once you get the compound spread evenly, Then you'll start just working back and forth on the headlight, kind of staying a slow pattern. As you can tell, the headlight's already starting to come back to new state. Now this next step is very important. A lot of people, once they clean their headlights, they always wonder, well, why do they start to fade out after 1 or 2 years again? You don't put any type of sealant to protect that clear on that headlight. UV rays and also bugs and other things that can get on that headlight will start to make it fade again. So make sure you keep the headlight clean, make sure you have some type of protection on it, and your headlights should stay looking new all the time. If y'all have any questions, please get with us. 903-744-6282. We'd be glad to help.